We are super excited to announce the launch of our new platform with which you can create powerful workflows to process, analyze, and even generate text data for your ML projects. And today I have something really great to showcase the capabilities of the Kern AI platform. First, we are going to use our new tool called Workflow to scrape news articles about stocks and finance using a custom Python script. We are then going to build an enrichment workflow for that data. With Refinery, we can quickly and easily label all of our articles. And with our second tool, Gates, we can then access our project via an API to enrich the data. Finally, we are going to create a workflow that aggregates our data on a daily basis and sends us a little Slack message to tell us the sentiment of today's stock news. Let's dive right into the project. To get going, we're going to start in Workflow, our tool to build custom workflows for NLP projects. We can create a real-time workflow, which is always available instantly, or we can create a batch workflow if super fast inference is not too important for us. To do the scraping, I'm going to create a real-time job for this demo, which I will trigger manually and which is refreshed every second. First, let's add a Python node, add some custom code, and scrape some news data. In this case, I'm using the Bing News API to search for articles about stocks. But of course, you have the freedom to do something like this in any way that's best for you. To store the articles, we are going to use a shared store, which will store all of our precious articles. You can create a shared store in the store section. As you can see, there are many cool stores available, with more integrations coming soon. Let's create a shared store and name it Scraper Store. Now we just need to add the store and we are ready to go. Let's run the scraper and collect some data. We've now collected some articles, which are ready to get processed. We can sync the shared store with a Refinery project where we can label and process the data. In Refinery, we can quickly and easily label all of our articles and assign them with a sentiment. We can also leverage something called an active learner to speed up and semi-automate the labeling process. The machine learning model in the active learning component, as well as any labeling heuristics, can all be accessed in Workflow via the Gates API, our new product for easy data enrichments. After some data has been labeled, we go back to Workflow to create an enrichment component for new data that's coming in. Using the shared store read, we access all the newly scraped news articles. The data is then passed through the Gates API to get the predictions for the sentiment. We do some filtering with Python and then store the predictions in a shared store. Now we've almost automated our whole project. Finally, we create a third workflow in which we read in our enriched data and aggregate the sentiments of that day using a Python script. And then we send out our enriched and aggregated data to ourselves via a Slack message using a webhook node. And that's how easy it is to create custom workflows for your NLP projects. This little showcase only scratched the surface and there's so much more that you can do with our platform. I can't wait to show you more in the next upcoming videos. If you'd like to discover this tool for yourself, head over to the link below to get started with the Kern AI platform. If you liked this video, then please leave a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or feedback you would like to share, please leave it in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Cheers!